What's up? What's up? Welcome. First off, I want to say thank you for hitting that text or answering that phone call. Getting to this video, I just want to say thank you because you could be anywhere else out there, but you're actually here. So, quick introduction. Buddy Boome from Northwest Washington, father of 5. I've been married for 10 years, and I've been in this make money, work from home niche for 10 years now. So, you could be here for a few different reasons. I want to say thank you for being here. You could be here because you want to get in on winning $100 cash. And don't go anywhere because I'm going to tell you exactly how you can do that. You also could be here, you may have already watched my presentation page and you want to get in on how you can start making $1,000 commissions sent to your porch or your mailbox. This is a cash only opportunity and we're making $1,000 commissions over here. Okay, so if you're here for that, my number and my Facebook profile link is down below this video on this page. Just give me a text or give me a message and just say you want the next steps. You want to start earning this cash. Okay, so this is unlike any other mailbox cash opportunities because I'm actually inviting you to come meet with us. We have meetings Monday through Thursdays. This is for a limited time only. Monday through Thursdays, we're meeting up at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's 5 p.m. over here in the Pacific. You're going to get to meet our millionaire mentor. We get to pick his brain every day and listen to some of the cool things that, that we get to learn from a millionaire mentor. And you're actually going to meet our team too. And if you're shy, this is not like a Zoom meeting type setting. You're not going to have to show your face. It's good. It's like a chat room setting. We hear our mentor talk. We just type, answer yes, no, anything like that. And the cool thing about this is you don't have to have any special type of experience with this. We let our millionaire mentor close our sales for us, and he closes the sales for us to get these commissions to our front porch. This is 50% commissions on this program, and we also have a $25 residual income membership program. If you can't afford to come in and earn these big ticket cash commissions, I don't want to discourage you. We have a smaller program, but I'm not going to go into much about explaining how that works. There's a form down below here. Fill that form in, put your name, your email. It's going to go to a presentation page. You're going to want to watch that presentation and then go create a free account, because when you do that, you're going to actually get the details sent via email about how to get to that meeting, how you can get in that $100 cash drawing. It could be any lucky member that shows up. You just have to be present until the end of the night and just take a look at what we're doing. And you could walk away with an extra $100 in your pocket just for checking it out. Even if it's not a good fit for you, you can come in for the drawing and you could be a lucky winner at that. So, fill that form in down below. If you have any questions, my phone number is down below and the Facebook Messenger link. You just press that, it goes straight to my Facebook. So, come check us out. Monday through Thursday. You get a chance to win $100. You get to see what we're doing to making these big cash commissions. There's also going to be a $10,000 cash drawing that's going to be in the talks, and then our mentor, he's actually giving away this huge stack of cash, and that's going to be to a lucky member. I think it's just, if the person guesses the right amount of cash that he has stacked up, they get that right amount, they're going to win that stack of cash. It's a lot more than this, so you're going to have to check it out for yourself. And in order to do that, you're going to have to fill that form in. It's free information. It's up to you whether you want to take action on this or not. So at that, guys, I thank you for watching. Buddy Boome from Northwest Washington. End of January 2021. Let's make 2021 your best year yet. Start making some cash from home. Alright, guys. See you guys on the inside. God bless.